Today we'll talk about the net worth tab. The tab gives a complete overview of your net worth month over month. You'll see some charts here showing trends of your net worth, asset and liabilities distribution, and total assets compared to total liabilities. The dashboard captures your net worth depending on what month you choose. The tracker allows you to change the date so you can see progress made throughout the year. So we'll just do January 1st, 2024. You can also track up to 30 assets and 25 liabilities. Before we start, select your currency. If your currency is not shown, click this button, add another item, copy and paste that symbol here. We'll begin entering our current net worth in the start field. At the end of each month, enter the updated net worth. For example, we'll do our Chase bank account underneath the cash and bank account section. Next, for investments, we'll do our Robinhood trading account. And lastly, for other assets, we'll just do art. Now we'll fill in our starting balances for each one of these. So we'll just do 20,000. Our Robinhood trading account for 50,000. And our art worth is going to be $1,000. Now we're going to scroll down to our liabilities. Now we'll go to our short-term debt and we'll add a personal loan to that. And then for our long-term debts, it's going to be a student loan. And once that's added, we'll do our balances for these. So this one's going to be for 5,000. Our student loan is going to be for 30,000. Assume that we reach the end of January. We'll enter the balance for each asset and liability. For our Chase account, it's going to be for 25,000. Our Robinhood trading account is going to be around 75,000. And then our artwork is going to be valued at 1,200. For our liabilities, the personal loan is going to go down to 4,500. And then our student loan is going to go down to 25,000. As the year progresses, you will continue to fill in the balances at the end of the month. The asset and liability distribution represents the month selected. As for the net worth and liability and asset chart will show you the yearly overview. You'll also get a whole overview of the total assets, total liabilities, and then your entire net worth. So total assets is this minus this to get this, and you'll get your year-to-date progress, which in terms right now would be 99%.